Pigging operation is an important part of oil-gas production that ensures regular cleaning of exporting pipelines from various sediments, such as wax, hydrates, and some other kinds of mechanical particles, that usually accompanies hydrocarbon flowing via pipeline as natural effect of temperature and pressure dropping. In some cases, pigging operation is used for pipeline inspection. When used so-called intelligent pig, idea of pigging operation is launching scrubber, or so-called pig, into the export pipeline. Once pig is launched, it travels inside the pipeline as result of hydrocarbon back pressure that pushes it forward and cleans all sediments by pushing them down to receiving facilities. So pigging operation process can be conditionally divided into 3 stages: pig launching, when pig is being sent into the pipeline; pig traveling, when the pig is moving from launching point to receiving point; pig receiving, when the pig is being received in receiving facility. The purpose of this video is to describe common and simplified pig launching operation via animation. In reality, pig launching procedure is much complicated one that contents achieving and confirmation isolation integrity via pressure test, assurance of following valves operation sequence via valves keys interlock system, etc. As an example, gas pig launching shall be described, while other types of pig launching operation, such as oil, water and others, are quite similar. Usually, within normal operation, hydrocarbons flow from production process system to the export pipeline bypassing the launcher, all valves around the launcher, such as the launcher inlet valve, the launcher outlet valve, the launcher pressurizing valve, the launcher vent valve, the launcher drain valve, are in closed position, while the launcher bypass valve is in open position. Pig launcher door is closed as well. Animated scenario starts from the point covers the when the gas pig launcher is pressurized by gas, and content some liquids remain after previous pig launching operation. Gas pig loading can be demonstrated as following. By opening the launcher's vent valve, the launcher is being depressurized. By opening drain valve, the launcher is being drained or emptied from any liquid substances. Gas and liquid inside valves are depressurized and drained by the bleed valves are located on the valve's body. Once the launcher is depressurized and emptied, the launcher's vent valve to be closed. Then the launcher's drain valve to be closed. Afterward, the launcher's door is being opened and the gas pig is being loaded. Once the pig is loaded, the launcher's door to be closed. Afterward, by opening the launcher pressurizing valve, the launcher is being pressurized. Once the launcher pressure equalizes with exporting system's pressure, first the launcher inlet valve is being opened, and then the launcher's outlet valve to be opened. By start closing the launcher's bypass valve, flow is being routed inside the launcher. By continuing gradually closing the launcher's bypass valve, more flow is being routed into the launcher, and as a result pressure rises gradually inside the launcher until the point when differential pressure between the pig's front-back sides becomes enough for pushing the pig into the pipeline. Within duration that gas flows through the launcher, new portion of liquid starts forming inside the launcher and export pipeline. Once the pig is launched, the launcher bypass valve is being opened back to the fully open position. Then the launcher's inlet valve is closing. The launcher's pressurizing valve is closing. And launcher's outlet valve is closing. Afterward, the launcher's vent valve is opening and, as a result, the launcher's is being depressurized. Finally, the launcher's drain valve is opening, and the launcher is being drained. Since that point, once the launcher's isolation, depressurization and drain have been done, the launcher can be considered as ready for next pigging operation as described above.